allow me to impart with you, my brethren, that it is our duty as Masons to impress upon our members the principles of righteousness and responsibility. That is enlightened as those things who make good men to become better men. The second pillar I will discuss to you this afternoon is justice. It stands as the moral compass of our fraternity. Masonic justice begins with self-examination. It teaches Mason that everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and equality, regardless of status or circumstances.
Brethren, we most cordially congratulate you on your selection and appointment to the various offices of this lodge into which you are now about to be installed. There is no other human institution which requires of its votaries a more faithful and conscientious discharge of duties other than thus the Masonic fraternity. These are among the regulations of free and accepted Masons, and to these, your assent must be freely given. Do you submit to these charges and promise to support these regulations as Masters have done in all ages before you? I do solemnly and sincerely vow
that I will maintain, support, and enforce the Constitution, ethics, laws, and regulations of the most worshipful Grand Lodge of free and accepted Masons of the Philippines and the bylaws of my lodge, and will faithfully perform to the best of my ability all the duties of the office to which I have been elected. So help me God. Amen. With deep humility and grateful heart, I stand before you as your newly installed worshipful master. This honor is not mine alone. It belongs to every brother who has guided me, corrected me, trusted me, and believed in me. This Masonic year, our theme is Puso at Asal Mason. It reminds us that Masonry is not merely learned by memory, nor measured by titles, nor displayed by regalia. It is lived through the heart. A pusong Mason is a heart that feels for a brother in distress, a heart that beats for service, not for recognition, a heart that remains humble in victory. Together with Puso at Asal Mason, we will rise. Once again, thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Freemasonry brings together individuals of different backgrounds, beliefs, and experience. Kita naman ninyo, iba't ibang kulay natin dito. Pero magkakasama tayo, ibang papaniwala natin. Iba rin ang pinag-aralan natin, iba't iba. Yet, we meet on the level. All of us shaped with respect, tolerance, and mutual understanding. And even sa family, hindi natin maiwasan. Meron ding indifferences. Pamilya na yun, relation by blood. But ano lang ang pwedeng makagamot yan? It is harmony. Harmony. Harmony is the absence of difference. It is the ability to work together despite differences. Yun ang harmony. Hindi naman maiwasan may pagkakaiba, pero because of harmony, tayo yung isa. Tayo ay mga Mason.